Okay, got a filigree on a steel buckle, and I'm going to use hard solder to solder it on. With this, you have to be real careful because this steel buckle is going to be blued, and anywhere that the solder is closes up the pores and it won't blue. So we're going to try to heat up this buckle. I've got it lifted up off the brick a little bit. I've got it held down with my clamps. I've got the high temp flux on it. And we're going to try to heat it up a little bit, try to get the buckle steel hot. Then we'll start hitting the silver a little bit, and then we'll just barely add a little solder here and there and try to draw it all under the filigree with the heat. We want the minimum amount of overflow that we have to clean out, because hard solder is a lot harder to clean out, and we have to get absolutely all of it off to be able for all the steel to take the blue. I'm just heating the steel up, not the silver. We wait for our flux to turn clear before adding solder. Now I'm heating the silver up a little bit and the flux. Still not ready? We're just drawing that solder around with the heat. Woo! Fingers getting hot. Okay, it went pretty well. I think we got some overflow outside of the filigree, but it's real thin, so my sandblaster, when I blast this, will take that out. We've got quite a bit on top of the silver, and that's from the silver being hotter than the steel. But that's easy. All we have to do is sand that off. So that's how you do it. And I'll proceed to flux the other side and get that filigree put on. Anyway, if you're real careful with this process, you won't have such a mess. This one went pretty good. And we'll catch you next time. Hey, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I've got 130 something videos on there. They're all how-tos on how to do this type of thing. Spurs, buckles, jewelry, rolling out silver, building a forge, all types of things. So tune in and we'll see you next time. Thanks.